Head of Fox News of News Corp, Rupert Murdoch, is massively open borders, pro-amnesty. I don't know why. He's like Michael Bloomberg or George Soros. He is for open borders. The Fox News network is for open borders. This is confusing to people because they think of Fox, which is fair and balanced on every other issue. And a lot of conservatives look at Fox and think, well, this is the conservative station. They must be giving us the best argument against amnesty. Oh, no, you aren't. Oh, no, you will not hear about the amnesty fight in the Senate. You will not hear any cross word about Mr. Amnesty John McCain or Mr. Amnesty Marco Rubio, which is why after all 6 Republican debates so far, all the analysts on Fox News, the body language experts, the Franklin focus groups are all announcing, what, Rubio won, and then, you know, the polls come out and everyone says Trump won. Fox has been massively, ridiculously unfair to Donald Trump. I just wrote an article about it, both, well, one in the Hollywood Reporter and one in The Hill, which I highly recommend, linked on my webpage. At the first debate, I'd forgotten this. The Fox News team not only spent the entire debate asking silly gotcha questions of Donald Trump, which I actually kind of liked because I liked his answers, but they never asked Rubio about his having pushed amnesty for 1 solid year, his sole legislative accomplishment. I mean, it's what they're sending softballs to Rubio, but Trump, they're pouring through the old, you know, Apprentice reality TV show files to find out, you know, what funny remarks he made that were politically incorrect. They were also threatening to, and released to the press after the debate, that they had a plan to forcibly eject Donald Trump from the debate. This is not a fight with Megyn Kelly. This is a fight with Fox News, and that's why this is so huge, because Fox News is the dominant force, the monopoly conservative media. No one will cross them. No Republican candidate would cross them. No conservative magazine, webpage, radio host will cross them, because the way to make your career is to go on Fox News. Now we see only Donald Trump. Once again, he is the alpha dog in this race.